Alright, bet. Just to get all my peoples that was upset when this was not explained on the homework tutorials. I'm not gonna talk much. A silent hero. Welcome. I take friendship as payment if you want to repay me. FYI. Okay. Alright, this is where the magic starts to happen. Mid plane, bam, 30, which is, and all these outline, all these like measurements are clearly laid out in the, the drawing. Filet mignon, talking vegan steak. Alright, you're not gonna believe this shit. Watch this. And yeah, it's a 10 millimeters for the radius. Alright, see that? This shit's basically done. This is the fucking this pissed me off. No, it didn't piss me off. It just I wish I had known. Alright, so you find the shell feature. You just select the top face, put in the thickness, and that shit's all done for you. It's ridiculous. I was trying to anyways. All that I need to do now is just open up this front part, and I do that by just doing that, and then cutting it. I cut it to the vertex, and then I just select, with this guy, and that's it. That's it. It's so quick. God damn it. It took me like 3 hours to figure out how easy this was.